What happens when words go extinct? Not from our mouths, but from our dictionaries. Believe it or not, words don't just get added. Some get erased, banned, or quietly retired, like washed-up celebrities no longer getting invited to the red carpet of language. And these vanishings? They reveal a lot about our evolving culture. Let's start with a delightful relic, grog-blossom. Sounds like a spring flower, right? Nope. In 18th century England, it meant a boozy, bulbous red nose, basically a floral tribute to heavy drinking. It's been long deleted from modern dictionaries, mostly because today we prefer the less poetic term alcoholic rosacea. Ah, progress. But why else do words vanish? Well, like bad exes or outdated tech, some words are just too cringy to keep around. Take the countless racial, sexist, or colonial-era slurs that once roamed freely across dictionary pages. As society evolves, our language trims the fat and the offensive. Even politics plays gatekeeper. Some words get put in time out when cultural tensions run high. Remember when alternative facts made headlines? Dictionaries debated whether to include it at all. Sometimes a word's political baggage is heavier than its linguistic value. Then there are the tech throwbacks. Words like cassette, Rolodex, or even floppy disk once ruled the world, until they were shoved into the dusty corners of language like forgotten gadgets in your parents' garage. Dictionaries eventually follow the crowd. If no one's saying it, it's gone. But not all lost words stay lost. Some make epic comebacks. Take bespoke, once a dusty tailor's term, now a hip buzzword for anything vaguely artisanal. Or perchance, revived by Shakespearean fanboys and TikTok poets alike. Language loves a good reboot. Sometimes words disappear not because they're offensive, but because their purpose fades, like brabble, a delightful term for a petty argument. Or Twitterlight, an old word for dusk that was just too lovely to survive the internet era. Irony, right? So what have we learned? Dictionaries aren't graveyards. They're evolving time capsules, and the words that get buried say just as much about us as the ones we keep. Let us not mourn the words that disappear, but instead marvel at how language adapts, rebels, and reflects the times. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite forgotten word, or better yet, invent your own. Who knows? It might make a comeback someday.